From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Dandy. Just dandy. Here we are, folks. It's March 20th, the supposed first day of spring, and yet what's the forecast bring us? Snow. I'm Jake Langendijk from the Penn State Campus Weather Service, and yes, folks, I know winter is supposed to be over at 6:45 p.m. tonight, but old Jack Frost is saying, folks, not on my watch. Currently outside the Arboretum this morning, that is indeed snow falling on the ground. There is plenty to go around. 28 degrees with a wind chill of 22. I know, folks, I hate saying cold, I hate saying snow, but believe me, folks, we are almost out of this wintry grave. Currently across the central Pennsylvania region right now, 30 in Mifflintown, 30 Selinsgrove, 30 in Altoona, 29 Clearfield, and you are at freezing right now in Huntington. Across the Commonwealth, though, a couple degrees above or below 32, depending on where you are. 27 over in Bradford, 35 Pittsburgh. Off to our east, though, a little bit warmer, especially in the southeast, 35 in Philadelphia. Right around freezing in Harrisburg, but over to our northwest. Surprise, surprise, Erie, the warmest spot at 40 degrees. Live look at our radar satellite over the last few hours. We do have the snow moving in west-east. We have some heavier bands moving in, especially around Clearfield, maybe into Blair, Cambria counties. Off to our west, though, especially west of the Alleghenies, that is indeed rain falling, especially around Pittsburgh, the Allegheny County area, Franklin, Butler. You could even see a rain-snow mixed into there, but you shouldn't see much in the way of snowfall, maybe a tenth, 2/10 of an inch of rain possible for you guys. But as for the rest of us, we are under a winter weather advisory, especially for those of us in central and eastern Pennsylvania. Those expire at 6 p.m. tonight. But down to our south, though, Bedford and Fulton counties, you are under a winter weather warning. So you could see some higher accumulation expected, 5 to 6 inches perhaps. They too expire at 6 p.m. tonight, folks. So just bear with us a little while longer. Future model shows most of the snow moving out of State College by 4 p.m. this afternoon. By tonight, though, much of the rain and snow should work its way out of the state and into the Atlantic, but we do have one more system working its way up north towards Canada, but that is mostly going to be in the form of rain. We should see some touch-go showers Saturday afternoon, but after that, though, it'll be partly and mostly cloudy throughout. A perfect weekend despite the rain on Saturday. How much snow are we expecting today, though? Depends on where you are. Up to 4, maybe 5 inches of snow expected across much of the north-central part of the state. Like I said, though, down near Somerset, Bedford, you could see as much as 5, 6 inches of snow. Off to our west, though, anywhere from Okoting in Pittsburgh and Erie up to maybe 2 inches or so in the Butler area. So not too much in the way of snow in some areas, but still one last blast of cold air from old man winter. For today, though, snow, some heavier downpours at times. High today of 34 degrees, light winds coming from the southeast. A perfect winter day, even though it is March. For tonight, though, it will dry out ever so slightly. Cloudy skies expected, maybe a chance of snow, rain-snow mix late on. 29 degrees, so it is a perfect night. But really, though, it should dry out early morning Saturday and into Saturday morning. 7-day forecast goes a little something like this. We do have a warm-up expected for you on Saturday, 50 degrees with mostly cloudy skies, but we've got a cold front coming in on Sunday, which should drive temperatures down a good 10, 15 degrees. But good news is we will have clouds and sun throughout much of the week. But come midweek next week, though, we do have some rain expected, especially for Thursday. But look at those temperatures, 45 degrees on Wednesday, and we will be above average again on Thursday. And that's a look at weather in your neck of the woods from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. I'm Jake Langendijk. Have a terrific Friday and happy first day of winter, I guess.